Hi, I'm Drew at Lanteria, and in this short video I'm going to show you how you can integrate Lanteria with Go1 and automatically synchronize the courses that you want to make available to your employees through the Lanteria Learning Management System. So we're logged in as an HR user, and we're going to go to Settings, Configuration, and we'll go down to Integrations. From there, we want to select on Go1 Integration, and we want to click on Login to Go1. Here's where you want to enter the credentials of a user that has administrative permissions inside of Go1, and you should only present it with one option here. I've got two, so just go ahead and click that and click on Authorize Lanteria. Okay, so now you can actually see that we have signed in to Go1 because you can see the logout button. And what you have over on the left here, this shows you that this is all of Go1's course catalog. There's over around 100,000 plus courses there. And you can see that in my library, as in I have chosen to make these courses available to my employees. Okay, so I may have done that already through the Go1 interface directly, which is exactly what you're looking at here. Now, the way you actually add additional courses is you'd first go back up to the Content Hub and you'd choose, okay, well, what do I want to add courses for? There's obviously a lot of results there. So you can actually do a search, say for example, air conditioning, and you can see there are 17 results for air conditioning. What you might also choose to do is actually go and filter by country to start off with. There's obviously lots of ways that you can slice and dice this information, but I'll just look at courses available for Australia. And then I might actually choose to add one on, here we go. I'll add that to my library. So that goes from 27, I think I had originally. That'll go up to 28. And if I wanted to check out a course before I add it, if I wanted to see what does it look like, what quality is it, I can just go over to the ellipses and choose Preview Item. And that will play a preview of that course. Tells you, it gives you about 10 minutes, and you can click through that in the way that you could similar to what the actual learner would actually see. So you can decide whether or not you want to enter that. Now, if you wanted to add multiple courses at once, say we wanted to add these two together, just choose the checkbox and choose add selection to my library, and that'll go up to 30. So there's one more thing we need to do, and that's we need to force the initial synchronization of the courses from Go1 into Lanteria. This will happen automatically, but it happens once a day. So if you want to see the results straight away, this is what you want to do. Before I do that, let me just open up the Learning Catalog in a separate tab. Okay, so, and I'm going to filter by Go1 Learning Compliance. So you can actually see that there is nothing there at the moment. Now, if I just flick back, I can click on Synchronize Courses Now, and it's going to invoke that job that will synchronize those courses. And then if I flick back to this Learning Catalog page and I just refresh, you'll see already, if I filter by Go1, those courses are starting to be synced across. Okay, it's quite quick, the process. So let's say, for example, that I wanted to add the air conditioning fundamentals course. I wanted to try it out. All I do is click on Add, and that's been added to my plan. So to actually open the course, I need to go from the HR interface over to the employee role, because I have both. So if we go to my learning, my development plan, I will be able to see that course is sitting on there, and I can simply click on Launch Course and it will open in a pop-up window. Now, what you might find the first time that you do use this is your browser may block the pop-up. You just need to click in the, you'll see a little icon up the top there, and you just tell it, hey, allow pop-ups, always allow pop-ups from this site, and you'll never see that again. And we can start that course, obviously. Now, as an employee, just finally, if we wanted to add a course as an employee, the experience is essentially identical. Let's close out of that. So back on my development plan, I can choose to assign from the catalog, and I can see those exact same options available. I can do a search. I can filter by the different material types. And I can even, if you want to go in this is where it gets really, really cool. If you have a competency framework set up, you can actually link these courses to specific competencies. So what that means as a manager, or even as an employee, if you aren't doing well in a particular area, or you're trying to upskill, you can go in and make associations between these courses so that they'll say, well, look, I want to develop my accounting competency, and then it will show you the courses that actually are available to help you develop that. So it's really great. I hope this video has been useful, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one.